This very short video will walk you through the steps necessary to get Excel onto your desktop. We did this in class, but it's often useful to have a video to help you through the steps. So I went to the Blackboard announcement on our Blackboard page. I'm pressing the link, and it takes you to this site. This site is divided up into student, faculty, and staff. In essence, both sites for faculty and students look identical. Since I can only show you the faculty version, I'm going to press faculty. Then I'm going to press Office 365 because Office 365 is a collection of software applications of which Excel is one. Now, you're going to be required to enter your CUNY ID and password. And that's what I'm doing here. Say no to that. And the next thing you know, you're in this, and we can go to Excel. Choose New Blank Workbook, and you're all set.